Welcome to our channel, where learning English is fun and easy. Here we explore exciting stories, improve vocabulary, and practice speaking with confidence. Are you ready to improve your English while enjoying amazing stories? Let's begin. Have you ever wondered what it takes to be the fastest person in the world? Is it just talent, or is there something more? Today, let me take you on the inspiring journey of a boy from a small Jamaican village who became a living legend, Usain Bolt. In the quiet town of Sherwood-Content, Jamaica, a little boy named Usain Bolt ran barefoot through the fields, racing against the wind. He didn't have expensive shoes, a big stadium, or world-class trainers. He just loved running. But let me ask you, do you remember a time when you did something just because you loved it? That was Bolt's beginning. He wasn't running for medals, he was running for fun. Bolt loved cricket more than running. He dreamed of being a fast bowler. But one day, his school coach saw him sprinting between wickets and said, "You're fast, boy. You should run." If someone told you that you had a hidden talent, would you take it seriously? Bolt didn't, not at first. He was playful, always joking around. But even without training, he won races easily. At just 15 years old, he became the youngest world junior champion in history. The world started noticing him. But success doesn't come without struggles. What do you think was Bolt's biggest challenge? It wasn't competition, it was injuries and lack of discipline. He skipped training, ate junk food, and didn't take his career seriously. People doubted him. Some said he'd never make it to the top. Have you ever had a moment when people doubted you? What did you do? Instead of giving up, Bolt made a decision. He would train harder, eat better, and focus like never before. His coach, Glenn Mills, helped him turn his raw talent into something unstoppable. And then, in 2008, the world saw the birth of a legend. The crowd was silent. The race began. Boom! Bolt flew like the wind. His long strides devoured the track. By the last 20 meters, he was so far ahead that he pounded his chest in celebration before crossing the finish line. 9.69 seconds. A new world record, and he did it effortlessly. Let me ask you, if you knew you were winning, would you slow down before the finish line? Bolt did, and he still broke the record. He went on to win 3 gold medals in the 2008 Olympics. Then, in 2009, he broke his own 100-meter record, 9.58 seconds, and 200-meter record, 19.19 seconds. Records that no one has broken even today. Can you imagine training for 4 years just to run for 9 seconds? That's the kind of dedication Bolt had. But legends don't stop. In the 2012 London Olympics, Bolt defended all 3 of his gold medals. And in 2016 Rio, he did it again, becoming the only sprinter in history to win the Olympic triple-triple. 9 Olympic golds, 11 world championship titles, the fastest man on earth. But Bolt was not just about running. He danced before races, smiled at cameras, and reminded the world that greatness isn't just about winning, it's about enjoying the journey. Now, let me ask you, what is your dream? And what are you willing to do to achieve it? Because Usain Bolt's story proves one thing. Greatness comes to those who believe, train hard, and never give up. If you found this story inspiring, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing stories. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite Usain Bolt moment?